So hey, what is up people? In this video we are going to be installing Atomic Red Team framework, and inside that we will be running the T1003 test to generate event ID 10. Okay, so let's search for PowerShell, then run it as administrator. Now at first we will be allowing the script execution, and it will be temporary, and it will be for the temporary window. It will be for this current session. So you can see the command certain execution policy bypass hyphen scope and then hyphen force, a process then hyphen force. Okay, so you can see no errors here, so it means the command is executed successfully. So from here we will be turning off real-time protection. Okay, so you can see the toggle button, so turn it off. Okay, so now we will be installing the Atomic Red Team framework. So for installing the Atomic Red Team framework using CMD line, you can see the command. Okay, so I am doing one mistake over here, which is okay, so let me just correct it. Okay, so I have already installed it before, so still it gave no error. So now I'm gonna install Atomic Red Team invoke. So now I will be installing the Atomic Red Team's test. You can see the directory which is installed at the C directory, Atomic Red Team. So we'll be changing the directory to Atomic Red Team. Then you can see the Atomics folder and the invoke Atomic Red Team folder. So we'll be loading the module at first using this command. So the module is imported. Now we'll be changing directory to Atomics, and we'll be running the test, which was the T1003. Okay, the LSASS test. Okay, using so if we have to run the test, we will be using this command T1003 MITRE ATT&CK. So you can see it is started executing. It's basically the credential dumping attack kind of for this Windows or this machine, we can say. Okay, so I think you can see many of the error over here, like the GSSC dump, like it is showing one error over here. Then with NPP it still has error with the SVC host, but still we can get logs from here. and like it must have generated the event ID 10, so we don't have to worry about it. And like the Microsoft IIS service account, but I don't have a Microsoft IIS service account, that's why it's obvious it's going to show me error. So that's it. So now let's go to our Splunk dashboard and search for the host and just filter it using the Sysmon security logs, Windows Sysmon operational, and let's search for the LSASS.exe, event ID 1, event ID 10. So because it must have been recorded in the logs, so yeah, you can see all the logs over here coming from Sysmon. Okay, so first let's see the spc host.exe, whatever we saw there. Okay, so yeah, you can see the logs, you can read it one by one. Okay, so now we will be searching for okay, so we'll be running another test. Okay, just we will be adding the we will be running the test numbers. Okay, at the third number one. Okay, so you can see the it ran the spc4.exe to gather the RDP credential, and it even got executed successfully. So we'll be searching for that at first. So you can match the event IDs. Then we'll searching for LSASS.exe. It must have been executed. So let's search for it. Okay, let me search it once again. You can read the logs one by one if you want. Now let's go back to it, and we'll be searching in the event viewer, and inside that we'll be searching for event ID 10 inside Sysmon. Okay, so go to applications and service logs. Okay, now Microsoft, then Windows, then inside that Sysmon, and then operational. Okay, so you can see the process ID 10, 11, 1. And you can even see the image and from where it got generated. Okay, the DNS query. We can match it, the thing which got executed. Okay, so we'll go back to Splunk dashboard, and again we will search for LSASS.exe, and then we'll be scrolling down, or we can say let's search for something as .ps1, because this was the file which got executed too. So yeah, you can see the event ID 1, or I mean 11, for the file creation. Okay, so this was for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and that's how